Good evening, Namaskar. Thank you for joining in for another exciting episode of Kano.in presents Saturday Stardom. मैं सुजय गुप्ता आप सभी का बहुत बहुत स्वागत करता हूँ। लास्ट वीक हम लोग मिले श्रुति पनवर से, जिनके बारे में हमने जानी बहुत सारी मजेदार बातें। हमारे आज के गेस्ट इज अ वेरी स्पेशल मेंबर ऑफ द इंडियन टेलीविजन एंड फिल्म फ्रेटर्निटी। इन्होंने अपना डेब्यू जो जीता वही सिकंदर से किया, जिसमें इन्होंने आमिर खान के बड़े भाई रतन का रोल निभाया। आप लोगों ने बहुत सराहना की उस रोल की। क्या कहना जैसी मूवीज के साथ साथ कोई है, विकराल गबराल, चंद्रकांता की कहानी, सावधान इंडिया जैसे हिट शोज से इन्होंने धूम मचा दी। सो लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, प्लीज जॉइन मी इन वेलकमिंग द वेरी हैंडसम एंड चार्मिंग मामिक सिंह। लेट्स कनेक्ट विद हिम। Hi Mamik ji, how are you?
Hi, fine, thanks, Sujay. Great to know what you're doing. I mean, at a time like this, and I'm really happy to participate.
Oh, thank you so much for joining in. There are a lot of viewers. हमारे बहुत सारे ऐसे viewers हैं जो बहुत बड़ी आपकी fan following है, और वो सब लोग आपको बड़े, हमने एक लोगों को बताया भी था कि आप हमारे शो पे आ रहे हैं। बहुत लोग वेट कर रहे हैं इस कॉल का, and they have been waiting eagerly कि they get to know the real Mamik Singh.
In such a short period of time, sure. However you, ठीक है, first class. Yeah, let's go ahead.
So generally, I wanted to ask you. You've done such a great hit movie like Jo Jeeta Wahi Sikandar and Kya Kehna, and a lot of other accolades you have. And then you've been Vikral and Gabral was like super humongous hit. Every person in the country, I can vouch for it.
TV, yes.
I'm a fan. So, what do you generally look for in a script? When you're looking at a project.
Okay. So I'm basically pretty much. I leave that territory to the people who are the makers of the show. Either it's television or film. I mean, it's their prerogative. They put in all the hard work in trying to put something together, and I feel very privileged that they've come to me and offered me, say, a specific role.
Okay.
So I leave it to them, really, honestly.
Right.
Because you don't expect to get the kind of job that you're really looking for all the time.
Right.
और मुगले आजम तो है नहीं, साला काम ही होता है. At the end of the day, you're making a buck. I mean, it's a job.
Right. You are such a... Yes.
हाँ जी, बोलिए, आप बोलिए.
मैं कह रहा हूँ आप इतने फेमस हैं, हमारा ऑलरेडी द व्यू काउंट इज इंक्रीजिंग the moment this interview has started airing. I mean, there must be something that you must be liking and disliking about being famous. What do you like about being famous, and what do you actually dislike about being famous?
Yeah, Sujay, that comes with the territory, yaar. And I'm a very laid-back guy. I'm an army officer's son, and I come from the hills. I did my school and college in Darjeeling.
Okay.
So I'm a very laid-back, and in 1981, after I finished college and I came to Bombay, 3 days down the line, I was in advertising. Then I did a whole lot of advertising work behind the scenes with an agency and everything else.
Right.
And then a lot of modeling work, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And inherently a very shy guy.
Okay.
And imagine my life belonged to an area where I had to be in front of a camera.
Right.
So, well, I think
quite the contradiction.
Quite a contradiction. And whatever the challenges in life are, the takeaway from this is कि कोई भी challenge किसी भी इंसान के सामने आते ही, they should take it up, even if it's not in their comfort zone.
Right.
I feel, and that inherent fighting spirit is there in everybody. I mean, जो आप में है, वो मुझ में है, वो every human being on earth has all the same qualities.
Right.
and so therefore it's a question of opportunity.
Right. So I mean, this is so well rightly put by you because आज की डेट में अब ये because of the lockdown and the corona virus scaring a lot of people, they are actually getting a little depressed and very wary of the facts that what is going to happen and everything. Now you've so rightly put that मतलब किस तरीके से आपको लाइफ को जीना चाहिए. Every opportunity, as you rightly said, should be taken. And people should
we have the inherent strength, we have the capacity to face any situation. हमारा खुद का खून हमारे सामने, हकीकत है जिंदगी की that you're born, you live and then you go away. Right. And इतना grief है आजू बाजू हमारे, we see animals suffering, and we are so busy in our lives that we just bypass those territories and we lose close ones, and we have the capacity to adjust to everything.
Right.
रही बात इस कोरोना वायरस की, इसमें देखो 99.9% लोगों की तो कोई गलती है नहीं. कुछ लोगों के पॉलिटिकल इंटेंट और किस्सा कुर्सी का really honestly,
true that.
It's a dog eat dog world. तो ये इसमें हम फंस गए हैं, and under the circumstances grief तो वैसे ही होता है लाइफ में. even if there was no lockdown, there was so much of pain and agony, people trying to want to earn money, difficulties बहुत होती हैं. अब उसके ऊपर ये चीज आ गई for the first time in our lifetime. ये सिर्फ पिक्चरों में हम देखते थे कि many movies have come out similar situation, and it's a hard reality today.
Right.
And हमारी कोई गलती नहीं है, difficulties है, we'll face it. That's who we are as human beings.
As human beings, yes.
So I suppose सबके अंदर वो है, उस चीज को उभर के बाहर आना चाहिए, और जिसकी किस्मत अच्छी है कि they are in a better place should also step out of their comfort zone and help as much as possible, because बहुत grief related. People who are not in their hometown have, for example, Bombay में जितने लोग काम करने आते हैं, अब ये हो गया, उनका खाना पीना रुक गया, उनकी आमदनी रुक गई, अब उनको घर जाना है. So a lot of people around you need the help. So if one single human being, जैसे कि आपने बताया था कि आपने एक फिल्म की है जानवरों को लेके, कि
community,
उनको कितना आप हेल्प कर सकते हैं. हर एक इंसान जो who's in a good position can step out of the way and help, say, one animal and one human being.
Right.
It'll solve the problem in life.
True.
But in normal life क्या होता है कि वक्त किसके पास है? सुजय.
True. Everybody gets in the
we don't have the time.
वो सारा cycle repeat होता है.
Yeah. आप कार बेच रहे हो और मैं.
Correct, sir. Correct. बिल्कुल. I completely agree with what you're saying. Coming to the profession part, I just wanted to understand, you played so many different characters across so many hit and blockbuster movies and serials. Just wanted to understand, कोई ऐसा रोल जरूर आया होगा जब आपने किसी और को देखा होगा प्ले करते हुए, कभी आपने सोचा कि काश मैं ये रोल कर पाता हूँ? Is there an original role that you have?
मैं आपको बताता हूँ. सबका अलग अलग है. अभी you can't do that. You see, first of all, I'm not, like I said, I'm an ex-army officer's son, and I come from a very sort of a protective, conservative background. It's not easy to do what Shah does or what anybody else does. उनका हुनर है. See, I can't turn around and say and point at anybody else's film and say कि यार, I wish I could have done that, because
right.
यहाँ पे नाचना, गाना, and to be much more of a, you have to just expose yourself. Okay. आम आदमी साला, everybody can't do what these people do, and you must give credit to them, because वो भी normally इंसान हुआ करते हैं. They've gone out of their comfort zone.
Yes.
And they've been very focused about their lives.
Right.
तो Hey, actually, I'm, very, very soon, something that was offered to me, something that I'm really looking forward to in terms of film.
Okay, nice.
There's a film in which Taapsee Pannu is a marathon runner,
Okay,
and I'm supposed to be a major general retired in the army, who's her mentor.
okay.
So that's a film I'm really looking forward to. Although I've just signed another film, it's called Bell Bottom. It's with Akshay Kumar, and I'm playing his elder brother. We're shooting in London, I think, as soon as the lockdown is over.
Right.
So nothing that I can point. Everybody, at least in the Indian, territory, then I really had the urge कि यार काश मैं कर हैं काफी फिल्में हैं
Right. तो
आमिर की अच्छी फिल्म आमिर अच्छी फिल्में कर लेता उसको but you can't touch that guy also.
Yes.
You see, he's the guy who's also fought very hard to be where he is.
Yes.
You see, when एक time था when he did क़यामत से क़यामत तक, when he became popular. And then he did 7 films, which were one after the other flops. And उसका मुंह उतरा हुआ होता था when we were shooting for Jo Jeeta, because he was not in a good place. And then there was a film that he was doing called Dil.
Yes.
So during the shooting of Dil, during shooting of Jo Jeeta, Dil released and it became a hit. So he got a new lease of life. That's when he started, concentrating on one film at a time, this, that, the other. And he fought to get to where he has come.
Right.
And nobody can touch, nobody can replace that guy.
So
but एक दो फिल्में उसकी है जो उसको मैं अगर हो सकता है तो मैं भगा के खुद कर लेता.
नहीं, आपकी और उनकी बहुत ही सुपर हिट, मतलब मैं तो कहूँगा कल्ट क्लासिक मूवी है जो जीता वही सिकंदर. How was your experience in जो जीता वही सिकंदर?
First of all, they as a family, which is Amir Khan, Amir's cousin Mansoor, who directed the movie, and Mansoor's father Nasir Hussain Saab.
जी.
क्या pedigree है वो. And when this film came, when we were doing Jo Jeeta, my character was such that I overpowered every other character.
Yes. Yes.
It would have been very simple for them to cut my role and keep it, down. And they're such wonderful people that not a thing. I mean, it was a strong character. It had to come out strongly. Yes. And so they maintained it.
Character of Ratan तो मतलब एक बड़ा भाई. I also have a younger sibling. तो मतलब वो एक, it's the.
I know. So all credit to the maker. All credit to Mansoor.
Yes.
Mansoor is also a musician. जितने भी गाने आपने सुने ना जो क्लासिक हैं जो जीता के,
हाँ.
ये है. हालांकि जतिन ललिता म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर का उनका नाम आता है. Everything he has composed himself. He's a very talented guy. But वो भी सन की आदमी है. He bought himself a boat and he goes to sail and he's in somewhere next to Ooty. He's got his thing. He farms there. Wonderful people, yeah. The experience was beautiful, yeah.
Right.
पहाड़ियों में हमने शूट किया, ऊटी, कोडाईकनाल.
Yes, very picture.
हाँ. It was good fun.
Any humorous incident on the sets that you remember? जो जीता वही सिकंदर कुछ.
हम एक वो कंचे की गेम होती है, it's called कोयबा. Okay,
yes.
आमिर ने सिखाई मुझे. And we used to play तीन पत्ती a lot.
अच्छा.
So humorous experiences की साला वो पैसे मेरे से borrow करके तीन पत्ती खेलता था.
अच्छा.
So but really, really wonderful people, these guys.
Right.
They are a class. They're so mehman nawazi and wonderful people.
Very, very hospitable and everything. Yes.
Yeah.
Right.
And true blue filmmakers,
Yes.
मतलब मेहनत का.
तो मामिक जी, एक हमारा छोटा सा सेगमेंट है. This is the one word, one line answer. We'll have quick 5-6 questions. You can say just one word or one line whatever comes first to your mind, that is what our audiences are looking. They're very simple.
Yeah, but this is
Question.
going to be very difficult because मैं हूँ सरदार, मेरा दिमाग थोड़ा slow काम करता है, but I will try.
नहीं नहीं, वो
I'll attempt.
उसको पेश कर लेंगे हम अच्छे से.
चलो, ठीक है, चलो.
So let's start
Okay.
with a one word, one line answer with the one and only Mamik Singh. So,
Okay.
are you a mountain or a beach person?
Well, shit. I have come from the mountains, and I would love to spend my last days in the mountains only. But since my daughter's there, also, I mean, these are so contrasting things. The mountains and the beach, most beautiful places, you know. But I'll stick with mountains.
Fantastic. What is the one unique memory of your childhood that you have?
Okay, so this is more than a one-word answer here.
Okay.
So there are plenty, but one unique experience you want is हम swimming किया करते थे. We were in Pune. My father was posted there.
Okay.
So there were a couple of bullies around.
Okay.
So they were pushing each other. मैं खड़ा होता edge पे, he pushed me. वो जो railing होती है by which in the deep end you go, you take the steps down.
Right, right.
मेरा सर जाके वहाँ पे लगा, and I was going under, which is I think I must have been in the 4th standard or something or the other.
Okay.
And लगा, बेहोश हुआ, and I was going under. Then obviously my brothers were there. I'm the youngest of we are 4 brothers. So one of my brothers obviously dived in, got me out, stuff करके थोड़ा सा होश आया. और by God, उस लड़के ने जिसने मेरे को that bully, जो मेरे भाई ने उसकी जो धुनाई की, and फिर मुझे स्कूटर पे in a swimming costume he took me to the army hospital there. But जो धुनाई की, मतलब like the धुनाई which when people were in Jojita and when people were giving Amir hell, and as the elder brother I went in.
Yes. So
मैंने तो कम ही की जोजीता में, पर मेरे भाई ने जो उसकी धुनाई की थी, that's quite something I remember.
Seriously. And okay, so next question is, what was the last gift that you gave someone that you remember?
The easiest thing, especially when it comes to girls, the best thing is to really pick up, really concoct a very good bouquet of flowers.
Okay.
So artistically, that way I'm pretty much inclined that way. तो मैं कुछ एक अच्छी सी बना दे तो साला it solves all the problems. Yeah.
Which is your favorite 90s jam?
When you say jam?
Yeah, 90s jam. Which is the favorite 90s jam that you really like listening to?
Oh, you mean music?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a whole plethora here.
Yeah.
But I'll quickly bring it down to Dire Straits.
Oh, okay.
Right. Yeah.
What do you do to relax when you're really stressed out?
I read no. When you're stressed out, you're fucking sorry. When you're stressed out, you're stressed out. So then the stress has overtaken you. So I mean, when you're really stressed out, क्या कर सकते? Will you read and take the stress away? नहीं ना. अभी जैसे, for example, now just before we started this interview,
yes,
I was very stressed because a car hit a dog and went away. That was very stressful. I went into the activity, but nothing will distract you from that stress.
Okay.
So but I read a lot. I listen to music, and then I travel a lot, of course. So all these things, to just bust the stress.
What is the first thing that you notice about someone the moment you meet them?
Now, that's a really funny question, Mr. Sujoy. I should throw that question back at you. Are we talking about girls or are we talking about what?
Let's talk about both the genders. What is the first thing that you notice in a girl?
You see, with experience in... No, let's not go there. See, what I'm saying is... क्या मैं कुछ बोलने वाला था? अरे I completely lost it. What is the first thing I noticed? With experience, you're able to judge a person much faster than when you're younger. You take everything
Yes.
at face value.
True.
यार आदमी की हरकत या औरत की हरकत से 2 मिनट में पता चल जाता है that is it a pleasant person or is it a person who's cocky and who's slightly brainless
Okay.
or what? You're able to
Basically,
make
the
out.
behavior, the way they
Yeah,
greet.
at my age, it takes me a second. Nice guy. Like for example, you. I know that you're a very pleasant guy, and I'm sure it's very easy to get along with you. I somehow feel that.
Thank you so
और
much.
अंदर से तो कोई हैवान होएगा ये नहीं पता मेरे को वो बाद में पता चलेगा who knows but on the face of it I can make out that you're a very likable guy I think.
Thank you, sir. What's your perfect dinner date?
You know how old I am, na?
Huh?
You're not asking a 25 or 28 or 30 35 year old guy.
I'm actually asking still the most handsome and dashing person.
Nahi re, that's so nice of you to say it, but something quiet, yeah. Something quiet with alone with whoever that person may be. Something quiet, little chit chat, that way.
All right, nice. Any crazy rumor that you've come across about yourself, which you wanted it to be a rumor only, but was actually true?
नहीं यार, the rumors about me. See, I've also inadvertently been quite a badmash, and rumors मेरे बारे में तो बहुत ही होंगी. But the perception is all. नहीं, perception wrong होता है. You see, various people first of all, I don't give a shit about what people think about me because I know who I am, and 10 different people will have 10 different opinions. तो हम सबकी opinion के पीछे जाते रहे तो साला it's a waste of time. I feel.
True that.
कुछ नहीं, rumors बहुत हैं यार. That's another time when we meet ना sometime.
We have another session on that.
Sure thing, bro. Sure thing.
So this is the one word, one line answer that we have just concluded this segment. A few more questions that are coming from the audiences also, and we also wanted to ask you. There's a very quirky question that came in. If you weren't in the acting industry, what would you be doing? अगर आप acting नहीं कर रहे होते, television films से नहीं होता, तो आप क्या कर रहे होते?
Sports. Now, when I was in school, when I was in Darjeeling, is a school called North Point, and I used to be a key player in most of the teams, and then eventually football took over and everything. So, मैं ऐसा था कि I used to in the 9th and the 10th, I used to practice football hours behind the house, and so much so that I got selected. Then I went. मैं वहीं पे था. आप किधर हो अभी? आप दिल्ली में हो ना?
हाँ जी.
हाँ. So Dad was also posted in Darjeeling during those days, and that's where I went to Calcutta for zonal selection. Selection होते I got selected for India schools.
Okay.
So उन दिनों Asian school games हुआ करते.
Right.
आजकल नहीं है. तो schools की Asian school games they were, and then I was part of the Indian team in the football team, and only because and this is for everybody. All the kids were there who maybe are your audience.
They are.
It's one very short life. Please make a focus of what you want to do and go after it. Nothing can stop you.
Right.
Is all I'm saying. Because एक छोटा सा experience था मेरा football को लेके, and because I was so passionate about it and I got into it, I carved my own way.
Nice.
And everybody has that. All the kids, anybody who's part of your audience,
right.
Take a call. What you want to do. You can't do 10 things at the same time. It has to be one thing and follow it. So if it takes you 1 year, 6 months to decide what you want to do, take your time. Mm-hmm. But once you've taken that call, follow it, and nothing in the world will stop you. Nothing.
That's very motivational. By the way, which was your most challenging role to capture?
Naturally, see, the best actor is the guy who is the most natural in front of the camera, who can control his feeling and be as natural in front of the camera as possible.
Right.
That's why these guys, you take Amitabh, you take Shah Rukh, you take everybody, slowly experience के बाद, the more natural they are, the more they identify with the audience, no?
Correct. So I think there is a lot of role that the director also plays. Any favorite director that you think that somebody is a phenomenal?
We've got some brilliant guys. Sanjay Leela Bhansali, number one.
Yeah.
He's a brilliant filmmaker. Mansoor Khan, brilliant filmmaker. And there are plenty of other guys. This guy, and actually I don't follow films and I'm not so involved in the film territory. So Anurag Kashyap.
Yes.
Great filmmaker. और बहुत हैं, and I'm so sorry that I'm not able to recollect, but our country is full of talent. There's so much of talent in every territory. It's a question of opportunity. Any territory. Sujoy.
Yes.
Whether it is the industry or it is film or it is anything, we are full with talent.
Correct. And finally, to sum this up, any message that you want to give to your fans or the viewers who are currently watching? I know you've been an inspiration to so many people, and आज तो हमें पता लगा कि मतलब आप दिल से जो सोचते हैं, मतलब वो कितना लोगों को motivate कर सकता है, and people really get motivated. So any specific message that you want to give your fans and the viewers of this show right now?
All I want to say is it's a very short life. Or I'm a big believer in karma. तो आप जैसा करोगे वैसा भरोगे. And my experience tells me जैसा करोगे वो यहीं भर के जाओ.
Correct.
अच्छा, गलतियां सब करते हैं, no issue. उसको दोबारा रिपीट ना करें, गलत काम. और लास्टली कि छोटी सी जिंदगी है, आपके आखिरी जो दिन है, तो जाना सबको है
जी.
तो आपका पूरा लाइफ फ्लैशबैक करेगा आपके सामने.
राइट.
आप हमारे 2500 भगवान हैं, एंड हम गॉड पे इतना भरोसा करते हैं, क्या पता we also assume that we have another life from here, we will go into 84 लाख life. तो अगर आप भगवान को बिलीव करते हो तो इतना याद रखो, आप अपने कर्म ऐसे रखो कि जो आखिरी के जो आपके दिन होंगे और आप देखेंगे कि आपने क्या किया अपनी जिंदगी में, तो आपके जो कर्म रहेंगे ना, that is what will give you the strength to move on into the next world. But if you've done things that are not good in your life, they will hurt you really bad, and that time, those are the times you look at God, and then there will be no God also looking at you because of what you do. So it is best, lead a good, honest. गलतियां सब करते हैं, so that's okay. अगर आपसे गलती होगी तो साला सबने की है. That way. So smile and और जितना दबाव आप पे आता है, जितना प्रेशर आता है लाइफ का, उतना ही स्ट्रांग हो जाओ. Is all I can tell. Because रोने धोने से अगर पैसा, घर वर सब मिलता था तो मैं तो रोज रोता था. It doesn't work that way. So it is to be your moment when you're down is the time that it should give you good encouragement कि साला okay, इससे नीचे तुम जा सकता है, I'll fight and get out. And everybody has that quality.
Right.
Only losers are the people who cry. Never cry in your life.
Right.
Because एक last चीज सुजॉय
जी,
हमको देखो, हमारे 2 हाथ है, 2 पाँव हैं, आंखें हैं, सब कुछ है. हम रोना धोना करते हैं, उन बेचारों को क्या है जिनके पास साला एक माँ को एक छोटे से बच्चे को दूध पिलाने के लिए पैसा नहीं है यार.
Right.
So you are way better than so crying is not a solution, and it's a lovely world, lovely life. There's so much that you can absorb, and this experience can be beautiful of life. So enjoy it. That's all I'm saying.
That was so inspirational. मतलब बहुत ही ज़्यादा inspirational है. जिस तरह से हम लोग ये इस शो को कंडक्ट कर रहे हैं एंड द व्यूअर्स दैट आर लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड फॉर पॉजिटिविटी इन देयर लाइफ, दिस
हकीकत है,
इज द मंत्र।
इंस्पिरेशन तो छोड़, हाँ हकीकत है ये जिंदगी की। जब उम्र हो जाती है ना सबको ये ज्ञान आ जाता है। So all I'm saying is right now you're asking me, so I'm saying all the young people who are watching now,
yes,
make a focus and lead a good life, because that is what will pay you back. If you've done anything wrong, ठीक है, गलतियां माफ है, हर एक बच्चे को growing up गलतियां सब करते हैं, but जब समझ आ जाती है, don't repeat the mistakes, lead a good life, it'll pay you back.
On that note, I would like to thank you, Mamik ji, for enlightening everyone who's watching this show. And I hope कि आप सब ने जो लोग ये शो देख रहे हैं, आप लोगों ने बहुत कुछ सीखा, बहुत कुछ मजेदार बातें भी हमने मामिक जी के साथ करी. And if you like this video, please like it, send some good questions. I will make sure that Mamik ji gets those questions, and he always loves interacting with people. And please subscribe to our channel and do share it with all your friends and family. I would say thank you again to Mamik ji for being here with us today, and it was such a pleasure.
तेरा बड़ा भाई हूँ मामिक, कोई मामिक जी भी क्या होता है? हाँ, okay. So and thank you so much for this opportunity, and I really think you're doing great work. If there's anything that I can do, please let me know.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
ठीक है. God bless, brother.
So this was Mr. Mamik Singh, जिनके साथ हमने की बहुत सारी मजेदार बातें उनकी लाइफ के बारे में. In conversation with me, सुजय गुप्ता on Carlo.in presents Saturday Stardom. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक करें, कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट करें और इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें. और हाँ, अपने फ्रेंड्स और फैमिली के साथ ये वीडियो जरूर शेयर करें. Till next Saturday, I hope and I pray that you stay safe and protected. Till then, namaskar.